Here's my 22RE running on propane. There's the intake, mixer, and then you have to change out from a 22RE distributor to a carburetor distributor. Alright, and then I was told to switch the ignition coil and an HEI ignition switch for it to go on. And then your spark plugs, you gap them at 28. My line's running down the frame. Here's the fuel switch. Made my bracket on top here, so I don't have a frame anymore. Body comes in, intake. And then when you plug in your distributor, it's not on the 0 position, not in the 0, it's on the 5. I made the mistake of zeroing it out, top dead center, but it's actually on the pulley over there. It's marked out, hit it to the 5, and that should start it.